In November 2014, the Sophia University Special Promotion Research Team held an open house, inviting the general public and high school students to visit the Semiconductor Research Institute. Before entering the clean room, visitors have to put on special clothing and take an air shower to remove dirt and dust. Working in an environment almost totally free of dirt and dust is important for efficiently performing delicate processes on semiconductors. This machine uses focused electron beams to create very fine patterns on a substrate surface. The patterns to be drawn by the electron beam can be designed on a computer to create all kinds of patterns and shapes on a substrate. For example, by punching a large number of points, this kind of highly precise nanometer order hole pattern can be produced. This machine etches the surface of a sample using plasma. It can be used to transfer nano patterns onto semiconductors. The machine is also used in the process of creating LEDs from semiconductors. This system is used to deposit thin films of various materials. By applying multiple layers of flat films of different kinds, it is possible to create the highly reflective mirrors needed for making semiconductor lasers. This machine can cover the surface of semiconductors with other kinds of materials. Remarkably, it can apply atomic layers one at a time. By covering the surface of a semiconductor, it is possible to increase the efficiency of light emission. This machine creates metal electrodes to generate a current through semiconductor crystals for LED light emission. This machine grows semiconductor crystals in order to form light-emitting LED layers. Normally, this kind of device is used to apply layers of flat, thin films like those of commercial LED lights. Here in the lab, however, superfine crystals with a column-like structure are grown under special conditions on a nano pattern formed on a substrate surface. The grown semiconductor nanocolumns are observed using an electron microscope. After complex processes using many different machines, the completed LED emits light. Semiconductor light-emitting devices such as LEDs and semiconductor lasers have reached considerable technological maturity thanks to the steady R&D efforts of many people, and they are now widely used in our everyday lives. Yet, even as we continue to create an ever more advanced information society, the effort to achieve greater sustainability remains a challenge. To address this challenge, technological innovation is required. Since companies cannot easily access new and innovative technologies, universities, which can freely explore and experiment with technology, have an important role to play in exploring ways to help society transition to better solutions.